Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday. Today is Friday, December 11th. Today you will be working on being able to read from a nonfiction text, answer questions about the nonfiction text, and then go back into the text to find your answers. So that will be for reading. You have this informational article to read called Hibernation, and you can use the speaker to listen to the audio as you read along. Then you'll have a form where you will answer the questions about the text. So again, make sure that you're going back into the text to find your answers. List the 5 hibernating animals listed in the text. So if you know of other hibernating animals, please don't list them here. I only want the ones that were listed in the text. 3 things that happen to an animal's body when it hibernates. Again, being very specific, going back into the text to find that answer. And then you have a couple of multiple choice questions after that. In English, you are going to be working on irregular verbs. So make sure that you read through the introduction carefully to learn about some of the irregular verbs. These are unique verbs that are not your typical add-on and ed and things like that. So you will drag the circle to cover the correct verb for each of those. And then on the independent practice, you'll drag the circle to your correct choice. So make sure you're reading through all of the choices to make sure you answer the correct one. For math, you have a division quiz on a Jamboard. You must show your work. You'll notice that each of these is worth 2 points, a point for the correct answer, and a point for showing your work. So make sure you're showing me your strategy, whether it be arrays, equal groups, a picture model. You've got your tools over here that you can use to show me. You can use your shapes tool, a sticky note, your pen tool to draw. And all right, same thing there. On this slide, you will be using fact families, so using those inverse operations to show me how multiplication and division are related. On this page, you have a word problem. Again, show your work, and you'll write your division sentence below. On this one, I'm going to be looking for, do you show me that your dividend is the total, divisor is the number of groups, and then your quotient is the number in each group. All right, and same thing on this one, another division sentence. So make sure you're showing your work and giving me the correct division sentence for this, for points. In addition to that, you have a subtraction image that will come up, the pixel image, I should say. So you're going to write the correct answer here, and then the picture will be revealed. So if it does not change from red, the answer is wrong. Sometimes you'll have to scroll all the way down to see if any disappeared. And sometimes that can be a little tricky because sometimes only a few will change and it's hard to tell. So you'll be able to tell by the end if you missed any. All right, in science, you are continuing on from yesterday's assignment. It's a 2-part assignment. If you created your flower yesterday with the hands-on activity, this is this section of the video that you'll be watching with the activity. So if you've already completed this, you're done with science for the week. If not, you are creating a flower. You can copy from the picture here You can draw your flower, you can get creative and make a flower out of materials that you have at home. However you want to do it, just make sure that you're using what you know about the parts of the flower from the video. And you can upload a picture or upload a picture to Google Classroom of your creation, whether it be of the picture and whether it be of your creation. Whatever you did for this assignment, you can upload a picture of it. And details on how to do that is on yesterday's morning message. So take a look at that if you're not sure. That's it for today. Hope everyone has a great Friday and a great weekend if I will not see you later in group.